As artificial intelligence, remote work, and digital saturation continue to reshape the technology industry, a growing number of founders, investors, and operators are turning away from large-scale conferences in favor of smaller, more intentional gatherings. At the center of this shift is Outcove, an invite-only retreat experience founded by entrepreneurs Jess Mah, also known as Jessica Mah, and Noah Berkson. With events between Hawaii and Park City, Utah and the Napa Valley in California, Outcove offers curated, multi-day retreats designed to foster meaningful relationships among high-performing leaders in technology, finance, and entrepreneurship. Rather than relying on traditional conference formats, Outcove emphasizes shared experiences, privacy, and extended time together. For years, the industry default has been massive conferences with packed schedules and constant noise, said Jess Mah, co-founder of Outcove. We wanted to create something different. A space where people can actually connect, think clearly, and have honest conversations without performing for an audience. Outcove hosts small groups at exclusive properties through full hotel buyouts, creating private environments where participants engage in activities such as hiking, skiing, communal dining, and informal discussions. The retreats intentionally avoid public agendas, sponsor programming, and keynote stages. There are no lanyards, no panels, and no scripted networking, said Jessica Mah. What matters is trust, time, and real interaction. When those are present, everything else follows naturally. Founded by Mah and Berkson after years of navigating traditional tech events, Outcove was built in response to what they saw as a lack of authentic community among successful founders and investors. Both founders observed that professional achievement often failed to translate into lasting relationships. People were surrounded by opportunity, but still felt isolated, said Berkson. Outcove is about rebuilding community in a way that feels human. Since its first retreat in February 2025, Outcove has hosted gatherings in Hawaii and Park City, Utah. Attendance has grown primarily through referrals, with a waitlist reflecting increased demand for high-trust, low-noise environments. Industry analysts note that Outcove is part of a broader movement toward micro-retreats and private salons as professionals seek higher quality engagement in an era of information overload and AI-driven productivity. Knowledge is everywhere now, said Mah. What's rare is deep alignment and trust. That's what we're designing for. Participants report that while business partnerships, investments, and hiring opportunities frequently emerge from the retreats, these outcomes develop organically rather than through formal pitching. It starts with genuine connection, said one attendee. By the time business comes up, the foundation is already there. Outcove limits its gatherings to a small number each year and has no plans to expand into large-scale events. The company remains focused on maintaining intimacy and curation as core elements of its model. Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, Outcove plans to continue hosting select retreats in North America and internationally, while preserving its invitation-only structure. The future of business relationships isn't louder, said Jessica Mah. It's more thoughtful, more grounded, and more intentional. That's what Outcove represents.